Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Suzuki remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to slide this catch over here so we release the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob, like so. Now what we need to do, we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. With the point of the key fob blade just there, you can just see that there's a slot inside the key fob there where you can put the tip of the blade in, like so, and just give it a twist, and it cracks the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. We just get a little screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2450, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just simply time to pop it all back together. So you get the two halves of the case, you just line them all up, you just click it back together, and you just pop the blade back into the bottom. And there you go. It's all done.